Good morning, guys. So it's 21st April today. I just came here so that I can have a little chat with you all. The condition in the country hasn't been really good. It's actually very bad, and also lockdown, like the night curfew was implemented in Hyderabad from last night also, and everywhere there's so much sadness and all. And I'm looking as many ways as I can to deviate myself from all of the things. Even when I open social media, following my favorite bloggers and everything, everywhere it's about COVID. And yeah, that is really important because they have the influence, so they can save people's lives. So I don't want to put any heavy hearted content on my channel. I want it to be more light, so that because I have seen I don't really have like a lot of influence, right? So at least 15-20 people who are going to actually watch my videos can deviate themselves for 10-15 minutes. So I'm planning of doing content which is more light hearted and which is more fun. So I hope it will help. This is the time we need to hold each other tight. So yeah, let's see if we can do anything fun, deviated from all the things that have been happening right now. This is the condition of my room because I'm doing like a super deep cleaning today. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and you know, my room has, even if you see there, my room has kind of become a mess. So yeah, I'll be cleaning everything from my wardrobes to this. And also yeah, I got a lot of stuff from Urbanic. These two things are from Urbanic, so I'll be doing a haul pretty soon. I'm not going to be doing also this one. This is from Leah Clothing. Anyways, I'll be doing like a haul super soon, not a separate video. I'll be doing it in one of the vlogs, maybe this one or the next one. So yeah, that's the plan for today, and I'm sure it's going to take pretty much a lot of time. And my wardrobe is also pretty messed up. If you can see, there are still a lot of clothes in here. There are clothes basically everywhere. And yes, this is the condition of my room. And look at this big lehenga. I'm not even sure where do I put this one. It has a lot of can in it. So yeah, let's clean it. Start cleaning from this corner because it is comparatively neater. Yeah, there are clothes even there. There are a lot of hangers here. Everything is a mess. So yeah, let's start from this place. So guys, now we are going to be doing like this wardrobe right here, and I'm planning to remove all the hangers because there are just too many clothes and I can't fit any. So I'm just going to be folding everything and putting it like section by section. So yeah, that's the plan because there are too many clothes and very less space, and that is the best I can do right now. So yes, let's do that. And guys, while cleaning the room, look what I found. So this is like my first birthday dress. I don't know if you're interested. If you're not, please skip it, but I want to show, so I'm showing. So this was my first birthday dress. It is like this ghagra and this super cute choli. I would still wear it for my birthday. And also got this super tiny dupatta, if you can see. So this was my first birthday was like celebrated super grandly. It was in Nizam Club in Hyderabad, and it was such a grand event. It was like the first time my family celebrated a person's birthday so big. And this is another dress for my birthday. It is super similar to the one below, but this is silver and this is golden, if you can see. These both are like my first birthday dresses, and I'm sure yeah, There's also a dupatta for this dress. If you can see how pretty are these, like I would still wear even today because they're so super pretty. And look at this cute, how small is this one. This is like my cradle ceremony dress. This is like a silk dress. If you can see, it's plain, and yeah, it's torn here a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, it is still so cute. And my mom, like I don't know what do people call this, but you know, it's like the head is here and the body is here. You just cover it like a cape. Yeah, you can call it a cape. And my mom made all of this with her hand. So how pretty is this one? I want to use that one day for my babies as well if I decide to have any. So yeah, and this is another one. These are all the kid clothes that I own, and they're so cute. I wish I could wear them even today. Everything is like so pretty. Hi guys, I took a little break and I'm having my lunch. I'm having idli with some peanut chutney, and I'm watching this movie called The Pursuit of Happiness. So me and my friend decided to have this movie month where I'm going to suggest him one movie and he's going to suggest me one movie, and that's going to go until a month. So enjoying my lunch and watching this. Louis. And these are his kids. Go. Hey guys, so I'm just done working out. I worked out after ages and it feels good. I wasn't really able to complete the workout because of my neck pain, which is there for the past 2 months. But yeah, it feels good. And yeah, my room is still messy. I have to clean it up. I'll probably go to take a shower, eat something and clean. Good morning guys. So it's 23rd April today, and subah my mom made pizza. It's actually 1 p.m, so it's like almost lunchtime, and I'm really craving for some pizza, and my mom made pizza. So good. After having pizza, I'm going to edit the vlog which is going to be going up today. And yeah, my room is almost clean. I didn't vlog it because it got kind of boring, but yeah, there's little more minute things to do. So I'll clean my room, edit the video, and yeah, I'll see you when I do something interesting. Bye. Now I'm enjoying my pizza. And now I'm having sweet chapati. I'm like so hungry guys today. Like I literally want to eat everything in my house, and this is so yum. This is actually one of my favorite foods ever, and it's like really yummy. It's getting cold, and I burnt my finger while heating this up. So yeah. Hi guys, so we are going to get some vegetables. I don't want to go out, but we have to go. Guys, so this is my dinner. It is actually chicken biryani. It's from my favorite place in Hyderabad called Meridian. It is so good. You definitely need to try it out. And of course, to pair with it, I have my thumbs up. So yeah, this is my dinner. And also guys, we have been taking this liquid. This is the vitamin D oral solution, which helps in building the immunity. This is actually vitamin D, and you have to take it once a week. So yeah, we didn't take it for these many days. We used to take it back in the year, and now we're again taking it. So yeah, in case you're interested, you can give it a try. So that is all for today's vlog guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next vlog. Take care. Bye.